What is up, everybody? Alright, so we're on our way out to meet up with Lunatic Rides, and probably gonna get some video in. It's a good day for it. It's Friday. There's always people out. It's a nice day. And we're gonna go down to Shady Jack's. If you guys haven't been to Shady Jack's, you're in for a treat, because there's not many people that don't like Shady Jack's. So we're gonna head out. We're gonna meet up at the commuter lot. Hopefully we don't run into too much traffic. I've heard of quite a few bike accidents today. That's never good, but that's neither here or there. But anyways, it's still nice out. Hopefully we don't hit any rain. If we do, well, this guy better be ready to go. He better be ready to go. Ice cream! So we're gonna go out there, we're gonna have a blast.
Hey, Ghost 314, what's up?
What's up, Lunatic? Oh, look at the pigs! Look at the pigs! Oink, 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 oink. Oh, man. Is he okay? Is he sick? Oh, he wants us to go past. No. So, we're going downtown, we're going to Shady's. Of course. I don't know what Lunatic was doing, maybe he was just taking a nap or something while he was riding, you know, just sleeping, I don't know. Well, you guys see the big Ferris wheel? Alright, so Union Station, they redid everything, like the whole thing. And what they did was they put like an aquarium and all this stuff, but there's this really big Ferris wheel right here. Alright, we're down. We're down. I know, they're fucking, I hate this light. You got 3 seconds. There they go. Alright guys, so we're getting ready to pull up at Shady's here. Now this is one of my favorite, and I mean absolute all-time favorite things about this joint. You literally get to pull into the building and park. Look at the ambulance on deck. What's up? It's Ghost 314. What y'all up to? Why'd they park over there? What do you do? The nurses are over here, bro. Yeah, look at the new 750. Moving up. Oh yeah. Love it.
Both in the ambulance yet?
Yeah, we're probably gonna test that Sunday.
Oh. Not bad for a 300.
No. Not bad for an all for a 300. Okay.
Yeah, it's a 300 and it's geared down. No, it's just a 300. I'm Ghost 314 on YouTube. That's Lunatic Rides on YouTube. Huh? Ghost 314. Ghost. Yeah, and Lunatic Rides.
I think he's dead.
Yeah, we're all over. Yep. Yep. Hit those up. We're going to put that in the video. It'll be up this week. I got like three episodes to go through.
Yeah, I subscribe to you. I subscribe to you as well.
All right. Have a good one. Get him, Lunatic! Get him!